All right, so this is Project 5 and create your own WIMP51 processor version. And this Project 2 instructions were added. We have the exchange ARN, so we basically exchange the contents of the accumulator with an internal register RN. Another instruction that was added in, which was clear the contents of the accumulator. So let's briefly look at the code. We move 80 into the accumulator, move that into R0. We swap the accumulator, so the accumulator becomes 08. We exchange A with R0, so then A becomes 80 and R0 becomes 8. Clear the carry bit, add A and R0, so A becomes 88 again. Move that into R1, or AR0, or the accumulator and R0, so that makes it A88. Move that into R2. We AND A and R0, that makes A08. Move that into R3. And then we XOR A and R0. Since A and R0 are same, the accumulator is 00. Move that into R4 then. And then move R0 back into A, so that becomes 08. We clear the carry bit, set the carry bit, clear A, so A becomes 00. Then we move 2 into the accumulator. We clear the carry bit, subtract 1, check for 0. If not, then we go back. So we are repeating this process 2 times. And then once it is 0, we end the program. So let's see it in action. So 80 comes into the accumulator. And that moves into the internal register R0. Swap the accumulator, so the accumulator becomes 8. We exchange the 2, the R0 with A, so A is 80, R0 is 8. So we cleared the carry bit as a precaution. We add the 2 together, so accumulator becomes 88. And then move it to R1. So R1 is now 88. We're going to OR the 2, so it still remains 88. I'm going to move it to R2. So R2 becomes 88. We AND the 2, so accumulator becomes 8. I'm going to move it to R3. So that goes into R3. Then we XOR the 2. So the accumulator becomes 0. Move that to R4. Move the R0 back to A. Clear the carry bit as precaution. Set the carry bit. Clear the accumulator. Zero flag goes up. Move 2 into the accumulator. And clear the carry bit. Decrease the accumulator. And jumps back to clear. And clear the carry bit. The accumulator goes to 0, the 0 flag goes up. And then it stays in this loop.